Hello everybody, today we're going to share with you a very simple recipe which is salted egg prawn. Okay, the main ingredient is prawn. You clean it up and then put some salt and pepper just for light seasoning for about 30 minutes. And then you need the salted egg yolk. Then we have garlic, chili, curry leaf and some pepper. For cooking, heat up some oil in the wok or the pan and then put in the garlic. Stir fry it. Next, put in the chili. And then the curry leaf. Once you can smell the aroma of the curry leaf, you put in the salted egg yolk. And stir fry it together. As the salted egg yolk start foaming, and then you can put in the prawn. And stir fry it together. As you mix well the prawn and the ingredients together, you can put it on the low medium fire and then put on the cover. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And here we have it, our salted egg prawn, and hope you enjoy this recipe. Please try this at home yourself and then subscribe to our channel for a new recipe as well. Thank you, have a good day.